Our components show you Bonfiglioli assembly nut we have for sale. It goes on drive motors like this, up your case in New Holland track loaders. Also Caterpillars will look a lot like this. GEHLs have a little different mounting here, but basically they all have the same assembly nut. If you're wondering if you have a different model outside of what we list and you came across the video, this nut's about 7 inches OD. It's got 7 holes in it for the tool to grab. So also we sell the tool, which has these pins and a nice 3/4 inch drive machined on the top. Goes right in there. So we use this for reassembly and torquing it down. For disassembly, I don't recommend just spinning that off, because over here you see on this housing, they will make divots into your threads, and that nut will score everything up as it comes off. So that can cause a lot of issues with having to clean up your threads. But once you take those divots off, the new nuts will spin off really easy. It's just really difficult to reuse these, so it's nice to be able to purchase that. We of course also have the face seal sets online also, but just call us if you have any issues reassembling your motor or disassembling. But first, check out those videos that we have. Jonas and Austin do a great job. They show basically how to drill out that nut, crack it, get it off, pull your housings apart, and then they show a reassembly with everything too. So make sure to check out our other videos. But if you're in need of just this nut or purchasing just this tool, if you work on a lot of these drives, solid steel, and it just makes everything so much easier. But thanks for watching. See our components.